Now after you create an app, you will find that this app has a client ID and a secret. These two are important because these two I'm going to be using to add them into our project, and by using these we will be able to connect to PayPal. Otherwise we will not be able to connect to PayPal. So these uh, client ID and secret are the sandbox API credentials, and whenever we go live we will be requesting another API, another client ID and secret, and change. We also need to change the project here from sandbox to a live. That's it, and you will be able to use this for real money so that people will pay you. So here, as you can see here, it says sandbox API credentials. So this is the sandbox. This is for testing. This is just for testing. And if you scroll, you'll find many options, and by default you will have these options: accept payments, invoicing. Just keep these as they are because these are important. You need to